Hi everyone, just a very quick video to show you how to tether your phone to your iPad, because as you'll probably be aware now that SIM cards are coming out of the iPads, so we'll be tethering the new SIM card that Dan will be sending you to your iPad. So first, pick up your iPhone, click on settings, go into personal hotspot. Now click on allow others to join. Keep an eye out on that password. You might as well keep your phone at this stage for the time being. Now pick up your iPad now, go into settings, go into Wi-Fi, and there we go. It's picked up my phone, King Cole iPhone. Click on that. Now you're prompted for the password. Just input the same password that is on your phone. So I'll quickly do that. Once you've inputted the password, click on join. There we go. Your phone, as you can see there, so I'll just get it's now tethered to my King Cole iPhone. On your iPhone as well, you'll have a little icon at the top saying it's tethered. That's all you have to do. Hopefully as well, what I would recommend, once you finish with your iPad at the end of the day, turn the tethering off on your phone, just so nobody else tries to hack in. But as you see, it's probably it's quite a unique password. You'll find it on each of your phones, so I don't think anybody will be able to do that. So following morning, come in, turn your phone on, like I say, go back to settings, go back to personal hotspot, turn it on. Now fingers crossed you will not have to put in, you see it's already registered as one of your networks at the top, so it went straight in. So it's a one-off thing for putting that password in, but as long as you've got nice proximity between each one, you'll get the same kind of network coverage on this, on that. So good luck. Any problems, give me or Dan a ring and we'll happily help.